Which one starts with letter A? Apple. A for apple. Which one starts with letter B? Banana. B for banana. Which one starts with letter C? Carrot. C for carrot. Which one starts with letter D? Duck. D for duck. Which one starts with letter E? Eggplant. E for eggplant. Which one starts with letter F? Flower. F for flower. Which one starts with letter G? Gift. G for gift. Which one starts with letter H? House. H for house. Which one starts with letter I? Ice cream. I for ice cream. Which one starts with letter J? Jelly. J for jelly. Which one starts with letter K? Key. K for key. Which one starts with letter L? Light bulb. L for light bulb. Which one starts with letter M? Mango. M for mango. Which one starts with letter N? Notebook. N for notebook. Which one starts with letter O? Orange. O for orange. Which one starts with letter P? Pinwheel. P for pinwheel. Which one starts with letter Q? Question. Q for question. Which one starts with letter R? Rose. R for rose. Which one starts with letter S? Strawberry. S for strawberry. Which one starts with letter T? Tree. T for tree. Which one starts with letter U? Umbrella. U for umbrella. Which one starts with letter V? Vase. V for vase. Which one starts with letter W? Watermelon. W for watermelon.